welcome to another early morning. I don't do mornings. Going to the Women in Motorbiking exhibition today. I was meant to set off at 6:30. It is now 6:30. But tea. Got about an hour's window to get there, so we should be fine. Just see what happens, I guess.
One eternity later.
Here we are at the Women in Motorbike exhibition. It's just starting up, as you can see. So we've got a load of different stuff going on. We've got a few stalls, we've got some workshops, and we've also got some speakers. So that'll be nice. So let's just have a wee look around and see what we can see. Castle in the background. Motorcycle women, we've got blood bikers, we've got curvy riders, we've got bike track, mental health motorbike. Ooh, doggies! Gonna have to go say hello to the doggies later. Look at those cute little paws. You are so cute. Strokey, 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 strokey. Stroke the tum-tum. No, nice stroke. Nice ninja over here. Bridgestone, I think they're doing a tyre workshop at some point today. More doggies! I like the doggies. We've got some marquees. I think the talks are going to be over there. Oh yeah. I am planning to go to quite a few of the workshops today. I'm more of a workshop person than a talky person, so hopefully that'll be awesome. Have a nice time, learn some things, and meet some new people. Alright, we have a cup of tea, let's go explore. So we are gonna head on over to the workshops. Our information point over there. The Staff's Lady Bikers have a nice cool game, and I won this buff. Got some off-roady stuff. And this is probably the most women I've ever seen at a bike show. Proportionally. Which makes sense, you know, considering it's women in biking. There we go, workshops. Look at that bike. Trike. Cool thing. The mental health motorbike team. Very nice people. My bike's over there. Might have to move my helmet if it gets more rainy. In fact, let's go get the helmet now. Red bikers. Mabel, the doggy. She's so lovely. We got a load of photos from women all over. They're sending in their cool stuff. See, look at this nice sidecar. I like that. In a tree, good. I approve of trees. What else have we got that's cool? Well, they're all pretty cool. Nice, nice, nice. Got a nice trip of bikers here. Another castle. Oh, look at that. That's proper old school. Like that one. Oh, that's cute. Wedding photos with bike. Lots of people been lots of places. Who we got up here? ZCM, Motor Girl in Thailand. And if you look down here, that's my trip to Mongolia. That's quite cool. We've got a lady called Rachel Ransom over here who has one leg but still rides. Oh yeah, that's happened before. I've have a picture very similar to that. That's a nice photo.
Oh, I'll tell you what. I didn't actually put a gear on, so I'm just going to put a high vis on. Right, that'll do. So it looks a bit good like that, doesn't it? Okay. So there's stuff on the road. You know, there might be oil, there might be petrol. Think about, you know, what's going on and with regards to your safety. Now, someone mentioned a B word over there. Breathing, okay? Is breathing important? Yeah. It is sort of. If you're not breathing, what might happen to you? What's going to happen to you? You're going to die, aren't you? How fast does somebody die if they're not breathing?
4 to 5 minutes.
4 to 5 minutes, okay. So knowing that the NHS resources are a little bit under strain, does anybody know what the government target time is for an ambulance to get to somebody that's not breathing? 8 minutes, okay. I can't quite do the sums there. If someone's going to die after 4 minutes, they're going to get there afterwards. You know, what's the point?
I've done some workshops today. We did a basic first aid one, self-defense. We've done... Oh no, we listened to the how to pick up a big bike, which was useful. Not that I have a big bike, which makes it a whole lot easier. And we did a little arty drawing workshop. So having a nice time so far. A bit rainy, but there's plenty of tents to duck into. And let's go see the arty tent. Hello. Ooh, pretty things.
I've got some bracelets and earrings, and then those are watch straps. So
Oh, you've got one on.
Yes.
Nice. Good advertising.
Yeah, well, can't sell what you don't use yourselves.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah.
I really like those little cards.
Okay, yeah, alright.
Motorcycle funerals. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
We have the privilege of at least, even if doing just our little bit, to bring a smile on a family's face by giving them a memorable day, then it's all worth it.
There we go. We've got some of the tents over there. We've got the workshop station, the talks, the arty crafty bit, and in the background you can see where all the food and campers are. Yeah, funny thing is, we've got 2 workshops going on today. One of them telling you to pick up your bike in the squat position, and one of them telling you not to pick up your bike in the squat position. Maybe they should have chatted to each other first.